the 2026 Kenworth T680 luxury motorhome. A rolling mansion built on one of the most respected semi-truck platforms in North America. This is not just another RV. This is a statement of dominance, craftsmanship, and next-level mobile living. The story begins with the legendary Kenworth T680 platform, a truck known for long-haul efficiency, aerodynamic engineering, and unmatched durability. For years, the T680 has ruled highways as a commercial powerhouse. But in 2026, that strength evolves into something breathtaking. Instead of hauling freight, it now carries a private luxury estate designed for those who demand space, power, and prestige. At first glance, the exterior presence alone is enough to stop traffic. The bold aerodynamic nose of the T680 remains intact, maintaining its signature grille and sculpted hood lines. Chrome detailing reflects sunlight like polished armor, while premium metallic paint options give it a commanding yet elegant personality. The extended body seamlessly integrates into a multi-level living structure that feels less like a vehicle and more like modern architecture in motion. The proportions are massive, yet refined. Advanced wind tunnel enhancements ensure that despite its scale, airflow remains optimized. Side panels are carefully contoured to reduce drag while enhancing visual depth. LED lighting outlines the body with a soft glow at night, transforming every roadside stop into a red carpet moment. This motorhome does not arrive quietly. It announces itself. Underneath that stunning design lies the heart of a champion. The 2026 Kenworth T680 luxury motorhome is powered by a high-performance Pacar engine platform, engineered for endurance and efficiency. Whether paired with a clean diesel configuration or a hybrid-assisted drivetrain, the result is smooth torque delivery and confident highway performance. Climbing steep mountain passes feels effortless. Long stretches of open road become a relaxing cruise rather than a demanding drive. The adaptive suspension system is specifically recalibrated for luxury. Travel. Air ride technology absorbs road imperfections, delivering a ride quality that rivals premium tour buses. Advanced stability controls ensure balance even in crosswinds. Steering response is surprisingly precise for a vehicle of this scale, making long journeys less fatiguing and more enjoyable. Step inside and the transformation becomes almost surreal. The cockpit retains the professional DNA of the T680, but elevates it with luxury materials. Premium leather wraps the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, offering customizable information layouts including navigation, energy monitoring, and performance data. Ambient lighting subtly highlights contours throughout the cabin, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for both driver and passenger behind the cockpit. The living quarters open up like a modern penthouse suite. High ceilings create an immediate sense of spaciousness. Panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light during the day, while automated shades provide privacy at night. Every surface feels intentional. From polished hardwood flooring to marble-inspired countertops, the main lounge area is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush reclining sofas face a concealed ultra-high definition display that rises silently from a cabinet at the touch of a button. Surround sound speakers are integrated into the walls, delivering cinematic audio without visible clutter. Whether watching a movie after a long drive or hosting friends at a scenic overlook, the space adapts effortlessly. Adjacent to the lounge sits a full chef-inspired kitchen. This is not a compact RV kitchenette. It features full-size smart appliances, induction cooktops, convection ovens, and a refrigerator with climate-controlled compartments. Custom cabinetry offers abundant storage, while soft close mechanisms add refinement to every interaction. A built-in espresso station ensures that mornings on the road begin with perfection. Moving further inside, the dining area combines elegance and functionality. A handcrafted table can expand electronically to accommodate additional guests. Overhead lighting adjusts in brightness and tone, allowing you to create a romantic dinner setting or a bright workspace environment. The integration of smart home technology allows control of lighting, climate, and entertainment through a centralized touchscreen or voice command. The master suite is where luxury reaches its peak, positioned strategically for comfort and balance. The bedroom features a king-size bed with premium memory foam and climate-controlled zones. The headboard incorporates subtle LED accents and hidden storage compartments. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes provide ample space for extended travel. Hand-mirrored panels enhance the feeling of openness. The ensuite bathroom rivals high-end residential design. A rainfall shower enclosed in frameless glass offers a spa-like experience. Heated floors ensure comfort in colder climates. A modern vanity with illuminated mirrors and stone finishes creates a sophisticated ambiance. Water filtration systems ensure purity wherever the journey leads, for guests or family members. Additional sleeping quarters are seamlessly integrated. Convertible lounge areas transform into comfortable beds. Privacy partitions allow separation when needed, ensuring everyone enjoys their own space. Entertainment screens and charging ports are thoughtfully placed throughout. One of the most remarkable features of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Luxury Motorhome is its upper observation deck configuration, available in select builds. Accessible through a sculpted staircase, this elevated lounge provides panoramic views through expansive glass panels. Imagine parking by the ocean, climbing upstairs with a glass of wine, and watching the sunset without leaving your vehicle. It is freedom redefined. Energy independence is another major highlight. Rooftop solar arrays capture sunlight throughout the day, feeding into advanced lithium battery storage systems. This allows extended off-grid capability without sacrificing comfort. Intelligent energy management software optimizes consumption, ensuring that lighting, appliances, and climate systems operate efficiently. Climate control is divided into multiple zones, allowing personalized temperature settings in different areas. Whether parked in desert heat or alpine snow, interior conditions remain consistent and comfortable. Double insulated walls and acoustic dampening materials reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful retreat regardless of surroundings. Connectivity remains seamless thanks to integrated satellite, internet, and 5G compatibility. Remote work becomes effortless, turning the motorhome into a fully functional mobile office. Video conferences can be conducted from the panoramic lounge, with scenic backdrops replacing static walls. Safety technology has not been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation alerts. A 360-degree camera system assists with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Structural reinforcements ensure durability and occupant protection. Exterior living options further enhance the experience. Retractable awnings extend to create shaded outdoor seating areas. Built-in LED underglow lighting adds dramatic flair during nighttime gatherings. Outdoor kitchen modules allow grilling under open skies, transforming campsites into luxury patios. Storage capacity remains impressive. Custom compartments house recreational gear, luggage, and travel essentials. Hydraulic slide-outs expand interior space when parked, increasing comfort without compromising drivability. Driving the 2026 Kenworth T680 Luxury Motorhome feels empowering. Elevated seating provides commanding visibility. The engine hums confidently without overwhelming cabin acoustics. Long road trips become adventures rather than endurance tests. The emotional impact of owning such a vehicle cannot be overstated. It represents independence at the highest level. No hotel bookings. No rigid itineraries. Just the open road and a fully equipped residence. Traveling wherever your curiosity leads. Picture a cross-country journey, waking up near mountain peaks, driving through rolling plains, ending the day beside a quiet shoreline. Every destination becomes temporary ownership. Every sunrise feels personal. The design philosophy behind this motorhome is simple, yet ambitious. Combine the rugged reliability of a professional semi-truck with the sophistication of modern architecture. The result is something that transcends categories. It is not merely transportation. It is a lifestyle platform. Collectors and luxury enthusiasts would see this as more than a vehicle. It is an investment in experience. Limited production builds would ensure exclusivity. Customization options would allow owners to tailor finishes, layouts, and technology to their preferences. From stitched leather accents to precision-engineered cabinetry, craftsmanship defines every detail. Nothing feels mass-produced. Everything feels curated. The 2026 Kenworth T680 luxury motorhome challenges assumptions about what mobile living can be. It proves that strength and elegance can coexist. That size does not eliminate sophistication. That adventure does not require sacrifice. As we imagine its future on highways around the world, one thing becomes clear. The boundaries between home and road continue to blur. With vehicles like this, the world itself becomes your neighborhood. Here at Dream Drive Homes, we explore the dreams that push design forward. The 2026 Kenworth T680 luxury motorhome embodies that mission. It invites you to think beyond traditional limits, to imagine living without geographic constraints, to see highways not as routes but as opportunities. And as you picture yourself behind the wheel, watching the horizon stretch endlessly ahead, remember that luxury is no longer confined to stationary spaces. It moves, it evolves, it travels with you.